Take a ride in the 2000 Econoline. The Ford Econoline is a great work vehicle with plenty of room for any type of tool on the planet. You won't go wrong with the Econoline. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front wheel independent suspension, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.